speak, and he shall call the earth from the rising of the sun to its going down from Zion, the perfection of loveliness. Elohim shall shine forth. Our Elohim comes and is not silent. A fire consumes before him, and it shall be very stormy all around him. He calls to the Shamayim from above, and to the earth to rightly rule his people. Gather my kind ones together to me, those who have made a covenant with me by slaughtering. Then the Shamayim declare his righteousness, for Elohim himself is judge. Selah. Hear, O my people, and I speak, O Israel, and I witness against you. I am Elohim, your Elohim. I do not reprove your slaughterings, and your burnt offerings are continually before me. I did not take a bull from your house, nor goats out of your pens, for every beast of the forest is mine. The cattle on 1,000 hills, I know all the birds of the mountains, and all moving in my field are mine. If I were hungry, I would not speak to you, for the world is mine, and all that fills it. Do I eat the flesh of bulls, or drink the blood of goats? Offering thanksgiving to Elohim, and pay your vows to the Most High, and call upon me in the days of distress. Let me rescue you, and you esteem me. But to the wicked, Elohim said, what right have you to recite my laws, or take my covenant in your mouth? While you hated instruction and cast my words behind you, when you saw a thief, you were pleased with him, and you take part with adulterers. You let your mouth loose to evil, and your tongue frames deceit. You speak against your brother. You slander your own mother's son. You have done this, and I keep silent. You have thought that I was altogether like you. I rebuke you and put it in order before your eyes. Understand this, please, you who forget Eloah, lest I tear